On? Yeah.
So, abandoned house here for many, many years.
Another abandoned house. See if this garage door opens.
No.
Nope.
It's solid. In the front.
Here, take it.
Okay, go in the front. Let's see what happens. The front door is here.
This is way too overgrown.
So we're trying to find out.
How the hell are we gonna get through this?
Just be careful, don't get cut. Nothing?
Oh.
What? What? Push it down with your foot. Careful, eh? You're in?
Boarded up door.
Push it in. Solid.
Yep. Look what I found.
What is it? Publisac. They put a Publisac there. You know something? I'll tell you what year it is actually. The last time they came in.
Doesn't look that old.
Oh, never mind, never mind. Don't touch it, man. Joseph, don't touch it, bro. Come on, son, don't do that. Seriously. Just come over again. Let's take a picture of the address, okay?
3865.
3865, okay, come. To be continued. Next time around, we'll let you know what happened here. Why abandoned, why everything. Joseph is my Spider-Man. Careful there, you got all tangled up there. Okay, here. Put your foot on this, Put your foot on this. Yeah, you push it down. There you go, go over. Yeah. All right. Okay. So next time around, we'll find out exactly why this house was abandoned. Take it easy, guys, and watch out. Let's go check the backside on this house. Shit.
Decided to film again.
Huh?
Because you ended the video last time.
Fire pot. No.
Oh, we were here before.
Oh,
Wait, we were on that side
yeah,
before.
you wanted to jump that thing. We just walked in. Look, man, there's a ball here.
Oh.
Definitely there was a family here because we got a swing set for kids. In there. Are you kidding me? It's open. Let me see.
No one's in there.
Just be careful. Any bills? It'll show us what year this was.
There's like paddle logs.
Just be careful, don't touch anything.
Shit, we should have brought gloves.
We have them in that car, man.